Now I've decided in this video that I need to use some Jb-Weld here, epoxy, and I found a weak spot right in this area right here. So I'm going to show you how I use Jb-Weld. It takes about 24 hours to cure. That's if it's done with its own chemical reaction. Heat will greatly increase the drying time. What I've done, I use a piece of paper like this and the Jb-Weld and a flexible knife, which works really well for putting it on. What I'll do, we got this cool tripod dealie right here, is I will put half of what I need in the black, half of what I need in the white on here in two lines. I'm going to shut the camera off and do that. Then we're going to mix them up, and I will put them right. And I wish the light was better. Well, the light is better, but I've got it on the wrong side. Let's see, let me move the camera a little bit here. Let's try it over here. Maybe that'll be better. Let's see. What I've done is I've taken my little knife and I've made some scratches in the panel. Now what these are there for is these put a lot of gripping spots for the Jb-Weld to hold into. And you can see that I've done some on the other side. I've even done some on that. I'm going to go all the way along this weak seam, all the way along the bottom. And then I'll just let it sit all night on that. Okay, I'm going to mix up the Jb-Weld and we'll continue. We want to get like two equal lines of the Jb-Weld. Two equal halves, 1 to 1. I mean, you can be close. It's no big deal. But one is white, one is gray, and as soon as you get done with one of them, put the damn cap on it and put it somewhere. Because if you get this black sticky stuff on you, it's just not real good to do that. I'm gonna mix this up. I've used this for a lot of things. Some things it works on, some things it does not work on. Anything that can snap, it doesn't work on. It doesn't have a high tensile strength. Now I like to use one of these knives because it's got, you can bend it, see? And they're also a buck, so they make a great little putty knife to put the stuff on with, and you can get it off your you can get a really good mix on it too. Now this is going to turn a dark gray. You want to get it really thoroughly mixed. You want to make sure that right underneath here there is always a little bit of white, as you can see right there. And so you want to kind of scrape them out like that, and then just like cake batter kind of, and then come back again. And you got 24 hours, so it's no big deal on this one. And I prefer the red and the black. It also comes with a 5-minute Jb-Weld, which is yellow and blue. And then there's a marine weld that you can use with water. I don't know how. Don't have any, like, submarine repairs I've had to make very quickly. And so we mix all this up, and you want to keep it off your hands, okay? Because it's really nice. It cleans up with water quickly. But when it sets pretty hard. And then the nice thing about it is you can sand it. Now, if this were 5-minute epoxy, the 5-minute is both both colors are black. It sets up pretty fast, which is nice, you know, for certain things. I like this one for long-term deals. Now let's see here. Now I'm going to put it. Yeah, okay. Well, it's going to have to be a two-parter. Okay. Now ready to put it in.